You can give voice to a web page. So, whenever a user visits your web page, it can speak to them saying that, hey, how it's going on, or else, hey, welcome to my website. So, you are giving voice to your web page. So, how to do that? You can do that using this rs.speech.js. It is written on top of Google Speech Synthesis. Now I will show you how to use this rs.speech.js to make your web application to speak. Okay, have a look into it. Now, first of all, you have to download the rs.speech.js from, you can do that from my GitHub account. And after downloading, just include it. I think most of you guys know how to include the JavaScript library into the HTML page. And then after that, what you have to do is you have to initialize that speech rs object. You can do that using speech rs dot speech init is the method which will initialize the speech. So you have to pass the two parameters to it. One is a string. It's the name of the voice. You can check the list of the speech names from my GitHub account. After that, the second parameter is a callback function which will be called after successful initiation of the speech rs. So here you have to write what your web application have to speak. So I'm adding this line speech rs dot speak, and the string it is the speak method is taking two parameters. One is the string that have to be speak, right? And the second thing is a callback function which will be called after successful completion of reading the string. So after saying that, hey, how it's going, then this function will be called. And the third parameter is a Boolean value. I will tell you later what's the importance of that. Okay, and now run it. Okay, check the output.
Hey, how it's going?
Yeah, now it's speaking that, hey, how it's going. This is the one type of thing. And the next thing is how this speech rs can read the text inside a HTML element. Can it read text inside the HTML element? So here there is a paragraph. My application should read this text. Okay, for that, so I am adding some code inside this callback function because it have to first say, hey, how it's going. After successfully reading that, hey, how it's going string, then it have to read the text inside the HTML element. Okay, so pass the HTML element here as a first parameter, document dot element by ID, and I will pass the ID as E here. Okay, so I'm passing it as an E. Okay, now run it. So it will first it will say, hey, how it's going, and next after completing the statement, hey, how it's going, it will read the text inside the paragraph. Okay, now run it.
Hey, how it's going? Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It moves around the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system.
Okay, yes, and I told you previously that what's the use of the boolean value. Okay, if I pass the boolean value as true here, now check what it will do is it will highlight the text when it's reading. Okay, so if you run it,
Hey, how it's going? Earth is the third planet from the
check
Sun.
that it is
It
highlighting.
moves around the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system.
Okay, that is how it's working. And you may get a doubt that it is highlighting the text in the blue color. So can I make it in the green? Yes, you can. So for that, what you have to do is here the speech init method. Okay, for that, you have to pass few extra parameters. One is background color. So I want it to be green, and The second parameter is color of the text. It is white. I representing it as an yes. Okay, so run it now.
Hey, how it's going? Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It moves around the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system.
Yeah, it's how you can do the things with that speech RS. You can do many more things. Okay, thank you for watching.